So we're back on another one. I'm gonna cook lunch. Today I'm gonna do chicken, honey soy sauce, mixed stir fry with some rice and broccoli. Rice and broccoli are getting cooked right now. I'm gonna stuff this chicken in there. The pan is nice and hot already. So I'm gonna stuff this chicken in there now. So while it's still hot, got chicken ready. Ooh. And there's some garlic in there too. I'm gonna put all of it in there. I'm gonna get this chicken ready. This is getting ready. That's pretty much about it. Really, it's just chicken, garlic, honey, soy sauce, nicely mixed seasoning. I'm gonna add that sauce back into the thing in a minute. There's some rice and broccoli. So we're gonna let that chicken cook. And while this is cooking, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back and the chicken is getting ready. Fire, fire, fire. So it's very simple, very simple meal. Basically, it's just soy sauce, say 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, and you cut some garlic into this, and that's it. And just put it in the pot and let them fry nice and golden. They get in there, but I want to add some peppers to this because my rice is kind of ready already. My rice is with broccolis, so I put the broccolis and the rice together to boil, so it's gonna be really nice. So I have a rice broccoli kind of vibe with 1 tablespoon of salt, and that's pretty much it. So I'll probably add a little bit of onion that I cut the other day. So you want to mix this up a bit. Give it a little bit of, just to add a little bit of vegetables into the pot. Then afterwards we're going to add basically the rest of the sauce with the garlic and stuff. But I want it to be a little bit more golden, a little bit more brown. So I'm just going to see through that glaze, really nice. The nice stir fry I'm going to cook today. See? Ooh, a little bit. Okay, a little bit together. A little bit burnt, so So keep that glaze with the honey. Oh, beautiful. This one is pretty much there already. So you want it to get to this point, around this point. So I'm going to get the rest of it a little bit more brown, and then we're going to serve this plate. I'm just going to add this into this, that little bit of soy sauce, garlic and honey to make like a little sauce into the pot. Once it's nice and brown and golden, the rest of it. There you go, my rice is ready, and then we'll be back in a second, and we're gonna serve. Okay, so see you in a bit. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Nice and golden, see, beautiful. You see the gloss of the soy sauce and the honey, beautiful. So now I'm gonna add that little bit of garlic and stuff that's leftovers to the pot. Get that garlic in there so we can have a little sauce, a little bit of that gravy, garlicky. You won't leave it for too long, just to get that garlic blend in with the rest of the recipe. Beautiful, beautiful. That smells really good. Then I'm gonna serve a nice plate, and then we're gonna have lunch. So yeah, that's very simple recipe. Soy sauce, honey, garlic. Put your chicken in it, marinate, let it sit for like 10 minutes, then throw it into the pan. Wait for the chicken to get nice and golden and glazy. Add the vegetables you want once the chicken is like come to the point that you're happy with it. Like now it's really nice and golden. So I added the peppers, then I added the garlic and the onions. I left the onions I caught the other day. And then that's pretty much it. So I say like a couple more minutes and I'm gonna serve the food. So we're gonna give it a try. When it comes to the rice, I did, I just put the rice in the rice cooker, cut some broccolis, put them all together, added a tablespoon of salt, and let it cook. That's it. Rice is ready, and we're gonna serve the food. So let's come back in a couple of minutes, and we should be good to go. Beautiful. See you in a bit. Okay, that's looking really good now. Chicken is nice and brown. This side of stuff is really good. Ooh, nice. Nice, really nice. It's the way we want it. So now we're gonna serve a plate and see what's up. Okay, let me see. Alright, let me see. Cool. Some of that rice. See the broccoli? Beautiful. Put the broccoli in the rice. Beautiful. The rice is nicely cooked. Get some of that chicken. Get one of those nicely glazed ones. Nice. Beautiful. Some of that paper. Great. Let's go for these two. Alright. Sink. Fork. Y'all know me already. I like my avocados. So I always have an avocado ready. Always have an avocado ready. Clean this knife first. Alright, cut some avocado on this. Alright. Okay, let's do this with a knife. Normally do it with a spoon, but it's okay. We can do it that. Ooh yeah. Avocado is my favorite food. So now, let's have a bite. Let's see what's up. That's the way it look like. Let me push this on the side, probably. Push this to the side so everybody can see. There you go. Yeah. Chicken nasi, soy sauce. Let's try this out. Wow. Hot. Get some of that chicken in there. Ooh, beautiful. Some of my pepper. Ooh. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's not salty at all. It's perfect balance. Mmm. If you want it more sweet, probably add a couple more tablespoons of honey. But now it's not too sweet. The honey that I put in, just make it nice and glazy with the soy sauce. If you want more seasoning and salt on it, probably add a pinch of salt. But I think soy sauce got enough salty flavor to it. So I do it. This is really good. I had some avocado this. Mmm. Mmm. Man. Wow. Wow. That's what I'm talking about for lunch. Mmm. And y'all know me. Already have a little bottle of wine. Get that wine in there. Mmm. Perfect. So, thank you for watching. This was chicken soy sauce, honey, and garlic stir fry with some rice and broccoli, and obviously a side of avocado. Please comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.